Hi guys, in this class I will discuss you about a color property or color attribute you can provide. You can set for your HTML elements to provide background color, border color and text color. So color are very important to provide. It make a website good look and attractive one, and it is very important to match color. So there are different techniques you can use, and you can provide color to HTML elements. So this is the one method you can provide a color as a name. Using name of the color you can provide. Another method is that you can use Rgb method. Rgb means red, green and blue. Their combinations you can set a new color. Here you can see that this one is 255. You can place here a value from 0 to 255. Here also you can put 0 to 255 also here, and you can see that we are taking 255 number from red, 99 number taken from green, 71 number is taken from blue. Combination of these values you can set, you can give a different and unique color. Another is hexadecimal value techniques. To provide a color you can set color a hexadecimal value. Every color have a hexadecimal value. You can set that. You did not need to remember that code, but when you change their number you can set a different color. Put a hash symbol before a hexadecimal value. Another method is HSL, which means hue, saturation and lightness. You can set their value. To set hue you can set a number, and saturation and lightness you can set their number in the percentage. Rgba, it is similar to Rgb, but addition of AA means alpha. You can set their alpha value. Alpha means to set the transparency, it take a value from 0 to 1. Another method is HSLA. It is also similar with HSL with addition of A. A means same that in the Rgba, which means that it is a alpha. We show a transparency, we take value from 0 to 1. So it is also mentioned here. So these are different examples. You can see that these are methods we are changing background color of h1 using different techniques, using Rgb method, using hexadecimal, using HSL, Rgba, HSLA. So these are different techniques you can provide to your HTML element. To learn more we go to Notepad. This is basic structure of HTML. I just save this file color.html, and I take a h1 JafriCode.com, and just I take another a paragraph, and I remove this heading. I use this paragraph. I provide a style attribute. A style attribute is used to provide a CSS style properties like background color. I want to change its background color using name of the color. So color name, for example, yellow, green, red. You can mention color name here. So another method is that you can set a color. You can set color using Rgb method. For example, Rgb, and set their value, for example 30, 40, 120. You can set their value Rgb, red, green, blue, from 0 to 255. You cannot mention here 400 or 300 up to 255. You have to set 0 to 255 value. So open the file in the browser. This is file. Click here. You can see that color is displaying here, but I did not getting this color because I am missing a one parameter. When I refresh you can see that color is changed. Now I want to provide a color using Rgba method. It take a AA means alpha, and it take a value from 0 to 1. So another paragraph will be display here with this color, but difference is that a. So you can see that these two paragraph, last two paragraph have a same color but difference of a. When I remove its alpha value, you can see that their color will be same. When I provide a alpha value, it show its transparency. So another method is that HSL, hue, saturation and lightness. You can set their values. Hue take a value in number, and saturation lightness you can set their number in the percentage. So these are different numbers, their values are discussed. When refresh, you can see that it have a different color. When I set its value to 100, you will see that their difference. So it's effect, minimum effect. When I provide or change its color, its a number, you will get a different colors. So these are different techniques. You can provide color to your HTML elements. I use the HSL with A means alpha. I can set its value from 0 to 1. So you can see that their color is same but different is alpha value. So it will have a transparency. When I remove, you will see its color is same. When I set its transparency, it will you can see that this have a background color, but due to transparency you cannot see its color. So next is using hexa value. So you have to mention a 6-digit number, you will get a new color. This one is the hexadecimal value. You can mention 6-digit value to set a new color. So you can also mention here CC, you will see another color. So these are different techniques, different methods to provide color to your HTML element that we mentioned here. Anyhow, if you have any question, any problem, you can discuss with me without any hesitation. Thank you.